Why?
You've got to help me.
Why?
Please
With what?
Please help me
Oh
fold
my
my
gosh.
laundry.
But I feel like I have enough clothes of my own.
No. I will. You do those. I'll do these.
Okay.
Seriously, I'm so overwhelmed with my laundry situation. I hate it.
Why?
Well, for one, like, it never ends, right? I mean, that's just the reality of life. But it's expensive, like the detergent, the fabric softener, the dryer sheets. And then, I mean, my kids can't even help me because I can't trust them to put the right amount in there. Plus, it just smells toxic. I'm just so exhausted and over my laundry mountain.
Wow. You have some issues.
I do.
I think you need some counseling over
for
your
real,
laundry
I
mountain.
really, no, I would.
Well, you know what? I have something that I can help you with your laundry.
No,
mountain.
you don't.
You fold towels way different than I do.
That's okay. We
That's
can
so
go
much
into different.
nicer.
No, well, you know, I'll teach you later.
Okay.
Teach me about whatever it is.
Okay. So I have this laundry ball in my back pocket by chance.
Oh, that fits in your back pocket.
What
Wait,
kind
what
of?
the heck is that? What do you mean?
This is a laundry ball. It's not a toy.
Oh, well, it sounds like
Well,
one.
I know. It's not an
Give
instrument.
that to my dog if I had one.
Probably. But this is a laundry ball, so I can reduce the time, like the amount of laundry soap that you use by 75% just by using this.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, true.
What?
Yeah. So you just throw this into your washing machine, and it's going to naturally raise the pH balance of your water to
And
allow your water to clean your clothes.
That's what cleans my laundry?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Okay, but I don't need fabric sheets. I don't need dryer sheets.
No.
But whatever.
Because-
Fabric softener.
yeah.
The list. The list.
Well, because it's naturally raising the pH balance with your water, it's softening your water, allowing your water to soften your clothes and clean them simultaneously.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
I know, that's bogus.
It's
There's
not.
got to be a catch.
There's not. I
No
mean,
catch.
the only thing that you have to do with this is just throw it out in the sunlight for maybe 3 to 5 hours once a month. That's the only thing. And you know what I do with this afterwards? After I charge my ball,
Yeah.
I just throw it into my laundry, and it's only for washing machine. It's not a dryer ball.
Okay,
So
yeah.
it's just for washing machine. I just leave it in my whatever that thing is.
Just
the
leave it in
tank.
there with your door open, just hanging out?
Yeah, and that's it.
And
And,
then-
then, you know, it's even cool you said your kids,
Yes.
how you wish that they could help you. Because there's
Animals.
no soap measuring, nothing required. I leave it in there for that whole entire month. My kids come in, they throw all their clothes in there, shut the door, and push start. That's it.
Your life is so much easier.
It
now.
is. I don't mind laundry now.
Okay, this sounds like total craziness,
It's not.
but I will give it a shot.
You should. You should try it. I'll
And
even
what do
let
I
you
have
borrow-
to lose?
Nothing.
And nothing, and money to save.
Money
and
to
time.
save. I'll
and
even let you borrow mine.
My kids are gonna hate you because they're doing all their laundry now.
You're right.
Yeah.
And you're gonna love me.
I already love you.
Yeah. Well.